Okay, here's the other job I've been talking about to work on some drawings. Of course, I'll send you these files. This is their guest house, our layout here. Looks like this is going to be a dead corner with a dishwasher. Possible drawer stacks either side. So I can up or above the top load washing machine here, and then paneling on the back of this peninsula. Uppers along here. I know you know how to read this. So this is the job, the most recent job that you drew up for me, and an example of what we use for our drawings. The cabinets are 1.5 inches off the wall, and typically it's always drawer stacks. The cabinet case is 31.25 tall, 6 3/16 tall. Top drawer, 11.25 and 13. I do the sink cab here, door goes all the way up. Just showing you some examples. And with this one, if we could please do each room, each cabinet, a separate room instead of this. It's just a little tricky to do on our end, printing it out, or when I do 3D renderings, working with the client. It's just easier if it's a room at a time. Just another example of what I am hoping to see. I mean, I'll change the toe kick to one solid toe kick. This is a little bit different with them having a large decorative panel here instead of 1.5 inches on the island. Cabinets are facing, I typically don't do it where they face out the side. 12-inch deep cabinets on the back. If you have questions, just let me know on how I am wanting these laid out. But back to, and this is the main house. And I'll send you the description in my bid so you know what to look for a bit. Couple islands. Again, another dead corner. So we've got this kitchen, base cabinets here. There's full height cabinets here. Pantry is Lazy Susan in each corner. Base cabinets in the office. Drawer stack, sink in the middle. Same thing here in the utility room. Same thing here. Probably 3 drawers here, 3 drawers here. 1 drawer stack, 3 drawer stack either side. Anyway, take a look at that. Get back to me if you have any questions, and let me know. Thank you.